Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send automatic receipts to your customer in Stripe. So simple and easy, so let's start. First of all, make sure to log in with your correct credentials. After that, go to the settings top right corner, go to account settings section, select business. After that, go to the last tab which is customer emails. Now all you need to do in the payment section, make sure to switch on successful payments and then switch on refunds. From here you are good to go mostly, but if you want to go further, you just need to select billing settings. From here you can customize more based on your preferences. For example, send a reminder email 7 days before a free trial ends. You may need to select it. Make sure to play with the other settings too. Switching on all these functionalities will hugely increase the user experience and your credibility to them. After that, all you need to do is to select save, and now we are good to go. If you find this video is helpful, just make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.